Hey guys, this is the Fit King dual leg compressor. I'm going to show you guys how to use it and how to put it on, but before I begin I want to give you guys an up close look of what it looks like. So first of all, this is the remote, and I thought it was really interesting that the compressor is actually inside of the remote. And we know that, see how big this remote is? It's not very heavy, but it's definitely a very large size remote, and when you start the product you're going to hear it increasing the airflow into these coming from this. So because this is the air compressor, everything's going to very simply plug into here. So each boot is going to come with this little rubber wire. Oops, sorry about that. This little rubber wire with this little very simple dual connecting piece. It also comes with the letter that the boot that you're attaching is. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but this one has the letter R for my right boot. On the bottom of the remote, I'm simply going to plug it into the letter R right here. So R is for R. L is for L, and then last but certainly not least is our plug, which simply plugs into the wall. It doesn't even require a grounding mat. It plugs right here in at the bottom, and now you guys can see I have 3 wires coming from my compressor. This is the right boot. The left one's already on, which I'm going to show you in just a second, and so let's get started. The boots are super easy to put on. First of all, they're lightweight, easy to use, and the Fit King does come with leg extenders. So if for some reason this was not large enough for you, there are leg extenders for people with larger legs. Now my husband's 6'4" and he is bulked up in muscle, and he very easily fit in this with plenty of room to spare. So I doubt the extenders will be something that, you know, the average person would definitely not need to use. The Velcro is heavy duty Velcro, and when you're using the product on the medium or the high compression rates, this Velcro being heavy duty is so important to make sure it doesn't pop off of you. So here we go. I'm going to open up the first piece. Very loud Velcro. Again, you can see the Velcro here and here. Very, very loud. Second piece. And then, of course, the bottom part right here is the clip. Now it is like sewn together here near the toes. If it's not wide enough for your toes, you can simply just snip that so that you can have a larger space. But you know, for me as a 5'9" average woman, it's a little bit easier for me to slip them on with it sealed right here. So on the inside, there's a little piece right here, a little tag, and it tells you which leg this goes on. This one says right leg, and we know that because I've already shown you we plugged in the right leg on the right side. Super easy to put on, and guys, I'm wearing jeans right now, as you're about to see, and even through jeans, this product provides so much leg compression on the light and the medium. I haven't even tried the high yet because the medium is so intense. I'm a little bit nervous to try the high. So I definitely want to encourage you to start with the light, and if the light is going well for you, I'd encourage you to go to the medium. Now another question that I had before I used this product was, does it have a timer? The remote does not have an actual timer on it, but the two options, one being sequence and the other one being circulation, they both do go for a period of time. If I had to estimate, I believe it's about 15 minutes. And it does pump up both legs if both legs are in there. And it's not necessarily at the same time. Sometimes it's simultaneously, which is really, really cool. So I just simply wrap the Velcro around my legs right here, and around my foot. You may want to wear socks if you find that you have like sweaty feet. I don't, not a problem for me, and you can see my feet poking out right here. So now I have the product on both my legs. You guys can see that right here. I have it not too tight, but definitely tight enough, and I'm just going to simply turn it on, pick my mode. I'm going to choose sequence, and I'm going to go with medium. So this is light. You can see the green light. Press it one more time for medium. I have an orange light, and I'm very briefly going to show you high. It's a red light, and they're not joking. I'm assuming that high is high because the medium really, really compresses. Now the sequence mode is my favorite mode, but the circulation mode we have used, and it really does help with some of that leg swelling you may have in the evenings, particularly if you're after work or something like that. So I can feel it compressing my legs now. Can you guys hear that? The remote is compressing. It's not too loud. It doesn't disturb anyone else in the room or anything like that. It's compressing my calves, my feet, and even my ankles separately. It doesn't all compress at once. It's a really, really great compression, very comfortable. I think you guys are really going to love this, especially if you're athletes or if you're on your feet a lot. I personally am a midwife, so like I deliver babies for hours. This is a great little massage and compression at the end of the day. So if you guys are interested in that, you'll want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.